Hi there, and welcome to the Norton Navigator vlog. Um, can't get up that word, it's weird. It's a vlog, it's a video about motorbikes. So, little introduction before we start. So, this particular bike was advertised on eBay. Travelled a long way for it. The guy got it off, he got it as a Part X. Someone else had said they rebuilt the engine up to the head, but no head gasket on it, and etc. etc. It worked on the kickstart and stuff, you could hear it going up and down. A little bit noisy, but it worked. So the guy just dealt with Jap bikes, and he didn't really work on British bikes. So he basically came at Part X, he put it on eBay, and I bought it. It's as simple as that. It's quite an exciting project. As I said, it's a 1961 Navigator, Norton Navigator 350. Nearest damn it all there. Mudguards required, seat required, but everything else other than a coil and a few bits like that were there. I have bought a new wiring loom, which I will put the guys, I bought it off eBay. Fantastic, sort of £72 I think it was. He doesn't just do Nortons, he does all classic bikes. So if you're looking for something, a particular wiring loom, does them, and everything's labelled as well. You know, what more can you ask for? Really good service. I think it was 5 days. They're all hand built, so for £72, I can't see how you can make any money on that, to be honest. So I had to buy a couple of other bits, bought a new gasket set, so on and so forth. First thing first was we need to get the engine out. I don't think, from what the guy who sent it in as a Part X for a bike, I think he's just bolted it together just to make sure that it actually goes round so it looks like it's a fully rebuilt engine, because half the clutch is off and bits and pieces like that. So, but I still think it's worth the money. It cost me just over £1,000. They sell for quite a lot of money when they're done. The guy originally, I think, was going to build it as a cafe racer, so he's got a different set of forks on the front. I have got the original forks as well, they came with the bike. The only problem with these other forks, they're slightly longer, and the tyres are flat at the moment, and when it's sat on the centre stand, it only just sits on the centre stand because the forks on the front are a little bit longer than they should be. So got to decide really whether to carry on the project as a cafe racer, because the tanks have been, there's 2 tanks, both have been sprayed like the grey for a cafe racer and stuff. But I'm wondering whether I should try and get it back to some original condition, because one, it'd be nice to put it back like that, but also I think trying to start changing the size of the wheels because of the forks, or having to put a different centre stand on it because it's not high enough off the ground for the wheels and all that sort of thing. I think it's most probably, I think basically the guys worked on it, and I think he's just given up. And I just thought he'd go and Part X it and get a bike that was actually on the road. If he's watching this, well, there you go, I don't really care. Quite a big project, same as the trike one, which is on the vlog as well, but I am in the middle of making another album. As I'm making the songs on the album, I'll be putting some more of the music on, not necessarily the vocals, just the music. You don't want people singing while they're trying to rebuild a bike and put you off. But I'll put some of the music on there as well as we're going along. There's a company called Norville Motorcycles, based down south. in the UK who do all Norton parts. The list online is incredible. I'll put a little link up on the video for their website, because any classic Norton, any stuff. I think they might actually do other British bikes as well, but there are mainly Norton, and I think Matchless and AJS were part of Norton as well. So I think they do Matchless and AJS parts as well. But well worth having a look at their website if you're looking for some classic, and they're not that dear. As I said, we need a seat for this Norton. I think the seat was something like £184 new, covered, which, you know, to get it reconditioned, get a seat reconditioned, most probably cost you nearly that anyway. So I think that's pretty good. So I hope you enjoy it, and there will be another vlog which will be starting with the Honda GL 1100 Gullwing, which my son John is going to help with that one. Engine seized, so he's looking forward to getting the engine out, put it on the bench, bought a manual. He takes a lot of chain motors apart, electric chain hoists and all that sort of stuff with one of the companies that I work for, and yeah, that'll be coming up as well. So hope you enjoy it all.